comprehensive cybersecurity audit checklist. A cybersecurity audit is a crucial process for identifying vulnerabilities and assessing the overall security posture of your organization. This checklist provides a step-by-step guide to conducting a thorough and effective cybersecurity audit. 1. Planning and preparation. Define the scope and objectives. Clearly outline the areas you want the audit to cover, such as network security, system security, data security, and application security. Assemble the audit team. Create a team with expertise in cybersecurity, IT infrastructure, and risk management. You may also consider engaging external auditors for specialized knowledge and an objective perspective. Develop the audit methodology. Choose a suitable methodology like NIST Cybersecurity Framework or COBIT, and tailor it to your specific needs. Prepare documentation. Gather relevant documents like security policies, procedures, risk assessments, and system configuration details. 2. Network security assessment. Review network segmentation. Ensure networks are segmented to limit the potential impact of a breach. Evaluate firewall configurations. Verify firewalls are properly configured and filtering traffic according to security policies. Assess intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS/IPS. Ensure these systems are actively monitoring network traffic and configured to detect and prevent malicious activity. Analyze vulnerability scans. Conduct vulnerability scans to identify potential weaknesses in network devices and systems. Review wireless network security. Assess the security of your Wi-Fi networks, including encryption protocols and access control mechanisms. 3. System security assessment. Evaluate operating system hardening. Ensure operating systems are configured securely with unnecessary services disabled, strong passwords enforced, and regular updates applied. Verify user account management. Review user access controls, ensuring least privilege principles are followed and inactive accounts are disabled. Assess application security. Conduct security assessments of critical applications to identify vulnerabilities and ensure proper patching procedures are in place. Review data encryption. Verify that sensitive data is encrypted at rest and in transit to protect it from unauthorized access. 4. Data security assessment. Evaluate data classification. Ensure data is classified based on its sensitivity, and appropriate security controls are implemented for each classification level. Review data access controls. Verify access to sensitive data is restricted based on the principle of least privilege. Assess data backup and recovery procedures. Ensure regular backups are performed and stored securely, and a well-defined recovery plan exists in case of a data breach or disaster. Review data loss prevention, DLP solutions. Evaluate if DLP solutions are implemented to prevent unauthorized data exfiltration. 5. Security awareness and training. Assess employee security awareness training programs. Ensure regular training is conducted to educate employees on cyber threats, phishing scams, and best practices for protecting sensitive information. Review password management policies. Verify strong password policies are enforced, and employees are trained on creating and managing secure passwords. Evaluate incident response procedures. Ensure a well-defined incident response plan exists, outlining steps to take in case of a security breach. 6. Reporting and remediation. Document audit findings. Create a comprehensive report detailing all identified vulnerabilities, recommendations for improvement, and remediation plans. Prioritize vulnerabilities and develop remediation plans. Address critical vulnerabilities first and establish timelines for implementing necessary corrective actions. Track and monitor progress. Regularly monitor the progress of remediation efforts and ensure vulnerabilities are addressed effectively. Remember, this checklist serves as a general guide, and the specific steps may vary depending on your organization's size, industry, and risk profile. It is crucial to adapt and expand upon this framework to address your unique cybersecurity needs and ensure a comprehensive and effective audit process.